Are you ready to explore the intersection of technology and creativity? Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of mass production and high-tech creation. From the design studio to the factory floor, each step is a testament to the ingenuity of human minds and the power of innovation. Subscribe now and be part of our journey into the future. The AS220 flash butt welding machine is an ideal choice for welding components in the automotive industry, especially for welding rims, rings, and starter rings. Designed with high quality and durability in mind, this machine provides short welding times and high reproducibility of welding parameters, enhancing production efficiency and the quality of the final product. The reliability and performance of the AS220 flash butt welding machine help optimize the manufacturing process and save costs for automotive manufacturers. The combination of manual and automated processes is often the most efficient choice to optimize the manufacturing process. This combination not only saves time and effort for workers, but also ensures the accuracy and reliability of the production process. The Winner 800 Green Stacking Robot is an efficient and flexible tool designed for automatic stacking of bags in pellet form. With precise and fast operation capabilities, this robot enhances production productivity and reduces reliance on labor. This helps to improve the efficiency and competitiveness of the production line, while providing a reliable automation solution for the packaging process. A robotic stacking system is an automation solution for arranging products into crates, pallets, or other storage locations automatically. Robots are programmed to identify the positions of the products and stack them accurately and efficiently, typically based on predefined parameters and models. This system enhances productivity, reduces labor load, and improves accuracy and consistency in the stacking process. The Shandong Jinlin Machinery's fully automated 8-feet assembly line is a comprehensive automation solution for the wood manufacturing process. Its high level of automation enhances productivity, reduces labor load, and improves product quality. Particularly, the veneer peeling machine in this assembly line is responsible for peeling wood layers into thin veneer sheets, making the wood production process more efficient and flexible. Thanks to the reliable automation of this assembly line, wood factories and manufacturing facilities can enhance their production capacity. Golden Laser's I-Series A25. 3D Laser 3 kilowatt power tube cutting machine is a powerful tool designed for precise and efficient cutting and beveling of metal tubes. With advanced fiber laser technology, this machine provides accurate and fast cutting, ensuring high quality for both metal sheets and tubes. The Lathe WWB meat grinder is equipped with features and technology designed to optimize the production process, reduce time and labor. It is an ideal choice for food manufacturers looking to streamline meat processing and enhance the quality of their products, while ensuring food safety and quality hygiene. The development of fully automatic filling systems for large bags is a significant advancement in the industry, particularly for handling health hazardous products or large quantities of goods. with high dispensing efficiency and automatic handling capabilities for large 4-loop bags. This system not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes human intervention in the production process. Verbruggen's VPM10 is a fully automated and high-speed solution for pallet stacking, providing efficiency and reliability in the packaging process. With its empty pallet distribution, pallet transport, and automatic wrapping film dispenser, this machine can efficiently stack products quickly. Especially noteworthy is its ability to stack up to more than 25 bags per minute, making the VPM10 the ideal choice for wood businesses looking to optimize their packaging processes and enhance production productivity. The robot packaging line is an automated system operated by robots designed to efficiently and accurately package products in industrial manufacturing processes. The robots are programmed to perform packaging tasks such as box sealing, placing products into bags, or arranging products on pallets. Using ultrasonic thickness gauges to measure the thickness of spherical aluminum panels in the aerospace industry is an important method to ensure accuracy and quality of the final product. This technique allows for accurate and non-contact measurement of material thickness, helping to avoid damage to the surface of the aluminum panels. The production of forged railway axles at Walbo Engineering's forging plant is a crucial part of the manufacturing process on Walbo Railway's automated assembly line. This production process ensures high quality and precision, meeting the technical and safety requirements of the railway industry. The Rich Piece Plus Smart Fabric Library, when combined with an automatic cutting production line, creates a modern and efficient system for fabric production and processing. The automatic cutting production line is designed to automate the process of cutting fabric panels to desired patterns and sizes. Using CNC cutting equipment and automatic control system, this line ensures high precision and efficiency in the fabric cutting process. The fully automated cylindrical battery module assembly line by Huashu Jiming represents advancement in automation in the battery production process. It includes a range of integrated equipment and machinery to efficiently and reliably produce cylindrical battery modules. The pack and lithium-ion cell module assembly line by Autowell has proven its significance in the lithium-ion battery industry, particularly in the production of smart cylindrical pouch and prismatic cell modules. Their prismatic cell module assembly line has been widely recognized for its standardized design, ensuring high performance and reliability.
Any product shows us the importance of a continuously standardized production process. And the production process that satisfies the latest registration will be a great motivation for the high-tech to produce quality content for our beloved audience. If you find the video interesting, please press the like button for the video and subscribe to our channel.